Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. Please do subscribe to the channel, and please also check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we offer. As you may know, wearing a face mask like the one I'm trying to talk through right now is now mandatory in shops in the UK. You basically have to wear a face mask if you want to be allowed in. Last Saturday morning I popped down to one of my local shops, and as I was trying to enter there was a little confrontation going on between the owner of the shop, who I know, and a rather angry man who wasn't wearing a mask and was trying to get in but was being refused entry. As I walked past, the shop owner was basically pointing out to the guy the new law and said to him, "Listen, mate, don't have a go at me about it, it's the law, okay?" If someone has a go at you, or you have a go at someone, you criticise them strongly, often in a way that you might think isn't fair. So, you might say to your partner if they come home in a bad mood, "Listen, I'm sorry you've had a bad day, but don't have a go at me, okay? It's not my fault." In the same way, the government often has a go at teachers. Parents might have a go at you if you come home later than you'd promised, or your boss might have a go at you if you turn up to work late. If you like this video, please click the like button, share it with friends, subscribe, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear about other examples of people having a go at other people that you can think of.